Hi, welcome to Nikki's Veet. Now, some of you may know that I'm a scout leader. And so, obviously, one of my heroes is Baden Powell. And this is a very famous quote from Baden Powell. Two types of people that don't change their opinions, the foolish and the dead. Great, great quote. My tweet says, thinks this applies to presentations as well. That's from my 20-year experience of sitting down with people who think they know how to give a presentation because they've given a lot of presentations. Or worse, think they know how to sell their products and services because they've sold a lot of their products or services. And then we come in with a whole bunch of science and a whole bunch of rethinking and sit down and say yes. But when you do it with headings and bullet points, you're just boring people stupid. They're not buying the product and service off you. They're buying into you and your enthusiasm because your presentation is shit. And often, they don't change their behavior. They just go out and do the same thing they've always done because it used to work. So, I think Baden Powell had it right. If you haven't changed your opinion, check your pulse. You may be dead. Bye.